Okay, so good morning everyone. Now today, last day supposed to be completed. Okay. Okay, so last day supposed to be completed that making array by random number or that is integer value or in the floating value. I hope everybody clear till now. All zeros matrix, all one matrix, how to create matrix within random value from the system taking, then to particular putting a value, then creation a matrix, then how to change the total number of columns, total number of rows, then how to create the random integer value matrix already done. From today, we will be go further arithmetic operation on Numpy array. Okay. So in the Numpy array, we also do some arithmetic operation. Now that's supposed to be creating arithmetic operation to creating the array. Just like the previous one, np dot array. Then suppose to be find out the least value because we supposed to create array from list the least value, then print a, so the array already done. Now the operation, okay, suppose taking a random variable x and a plus 2, okay, already you have making a as a numpy nd array. So if you do that, taking a random variable x, then just the plus 2 or plus 3 or any number you just want to give addition, then upon you think to print x, okay, see, these will add all the values or all the 0D arrays in a single 1D array and get output of that. 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 2, 5, 4 plus 2, 6, 5 plus 2, 7, 6 plus 2, 8, dot, 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 9 plus 2, 11. So just how after creating NumPy ND array, if we want to do mathematical operation, the conversion to list, the conversion from list to array, what the actually variable a, okay, plus any of the number, any of the value you want to addition, just put on it, and this whole thing stores in a random variable, means y, x, m, anything, and then you just print it, you just print it, okay. This is the provided example. I am doing again one more example. Okay. Import numpy as np. Then suppose taking m is equal to np dot array. Then suppose 10, 20, 30, 40, comma 50. Okay. So this is the list that have to create or transfer to array. Now print m, then run. So our array creation done. Now suppose we are taking one random variable called w is equal to m, our converted array or our numpy nd array, plus suppose we want to add 7 to all the number, okay, then just print w, run. Now see, the all the values are already added in that particular position, okay, all the value, 7 values already added to all of the 0D arrays. Now just like that, moving into same things, okay, if you want to give subtraction, okay, so for the subtraction portion, just the converted array minus the value. For the multiplication option as your wish, the sign, then the value you want for the divide a divide 2. Whatever you want to do, you just first of all create nd numpy array, then uh, arithmetic operation done and store it into a random variable. Then print this random variable as your choice. Okay, that's how you can do random variable arithmetic operation in numpy array. Please do it in your system. Do it in your system. Okay, all of you.
Sir.
Do all the operation just like addition, multiplication, division, subtraction. Okay. Then after that, I will demonstrate modulus. One question to all of you. If anyone want to edit particular position value or particular column value, row value after arithmetic operation, means suppose, okay, suppose this is a 1, 2, 3, 4. This one and this one 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a 2D array. Okay. Suppose in that position means row number 3, column number 3. Sorry, row number 1 and column number 3. Okay, that means this. Or whole this third column. You want to do arithmetic operation particularly in that position, then what should we do? Anyone tell? We just
So we just
operation.
write
Yes.
we just write that in the third column we just you use int and then the ap dot array and then the numbers which we want to change like in the
From beginning tell, from beginning what we do.
sir, if you want to change the third column, right?
Mhm.
So we have to write like ap dot array or and then int and then we just write the number of that which from which we have to replace like 3 equals to then 7 or 10 like that.
Okay, just not clear about basically what we have to do, we have to first find out the values, just like when we particularly find out the value in a sorry, how to note this. Okay, so see, get specified value, get specified column, already we have done it. Yeah, okay. So just like if we found get specified row, see print x this. Now if you can store this one in a randomly variable, okay, then this variable, just like here, print it, then copy again, paste, b is equal to that, p is equal to b plus 2. Print c. If it happens, oh sorry, wait a minute. Unsupported operand types for, okay, okay. So in this process it will not happen. You first to find out the values, then it will store there. First to find out the values, just like Swam said. Swam, can you repeat again?
Yes, sir, we can just write the numbers now over here, like that, and then we have to change. uh,
Can in this process it happens? Just checking one.
I think not, no, sir. According to me, because
Hmm? Okay, this also not happen. So the actual meaning is we should get the output of particular position, then by manually we can increase, right? Sam?
yes, sir, yes, sir.
So that means we cannot operate like
Oh,
that particularly.
yeah.
We should find out the positioning value and which position the
Okay.
value actually there. Then after
Then
increasing
we
it, we can store. Okay, just how
okay, sir.
we can do it.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so everybody done with the operation, arithmetic operation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
So the modulus portion, as all of we know, how to do a modulus 2. So here all the things in number 1. Okay, so that will be 0. So this will be answer for 2. 2 is 1, 2, 0. So 0 is modulus. So for modulus, we also do write that taking a random variable as a stored thing, then the ND numpy ND array that we are already converted, then into modular sign, whatever number we do, put it, and then print the variable where we store it. In this way, we also find out for the modular sign. One minute. Varakumar is not there, right? This guy randomly off classes and just calling me in for the first one, sir, what they actually doing going on. Everybody, those not Gayatri and especially everybody, those who are your mates, please consult them. If they not joining classes, I will not repeat again, because for core Python I am do, but for the advanced Python I hope everybody should join classes. Okay, so moving on. Now, can we do the trigonometrical operation in ND array? Yes, we also do like that. For that, x is equal to np dot sign A. NP dot sign A. Please make very clear what the process random value is equal to NP dot sign A, the array name. Okay. So just like that, you also do it NP dot cos A. Whatever trigonometrical operation you want to do, NP dot tan A. Okay. So this is the syntax. You please remind the syntax. In advanced Python, it is not necessity to remind all the things, just like core Python. Core Python is your basic thing, but for the hello, for the basic thing, you should clear about what actually your domain. But for the advanced Python, what happened? Yes, for the advanced Python, you just maintain the syntax portion, just like np.array, how you array creation, ndmin, ndim, just like np.sign, np.cos, np.tan. So in that way, you just remind and execute these things in your further project, demo project. So now moving on to the next, see how you can put a value, how you can put a value. Here simply you can, after creating, just a second, trigonometrical operation to find trigonometrical value. I hope everybody clear. Now if we do this, x is equal to np dot sine, then a, then 1. Okay, so what happened? This actually, I hope this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1D Numpy array. Here np dot sign A. This is the array. Means first of all, after giving this syntax np dot sign, it totally converts into sign value, sign 1, sign 2, sign 3, sign 4, sign 5. Then it will put out the index number 1, what the actually value it wants to give us as output. So here I hope you already see that sign 2 is in the 1 number index. Okay, so it will give us the value sign 2. If we print x, we get this output. So in this way, if we any of the numpy array, then we do the trigonometrical operation on it, then we want to find out exact position trigonometrical value, we can also do that. See this example and this example also. If we do it, it will, okay, sorry, first of all I want to run the program, just a minute. Okay, see, if we do it, then in the number 1 indexing is 2. Number 1 index is the value 2. it will show us the sign to value, just like that. So this thing will be done in arithmetic operation or in trigonometrical operation with NumPy array. Now you please write down more details, more operation, I can say, from modulus to the trigonometrical operation. Okay, write down in your notebook or in your system, and please make heading that you can understand what actually operation doing here. Do it. Okay, done, everyone? Hello, done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now we will move on to the array slicing. Okay. Just like string slicing on string operation, list operation, tuple operation, here also do like the slicing. So slicing arrays, please note down these basic portion or basic definition things. Slicing in Python means taking elements from one given index to another given index. There are so many numbers are there when you slicing the apparently the things, and already given the number, so you want to slice the things according to their index, not their positioning value. So first of all, we pass the slice instead of index like this, start then end. We pass slice instead of index like this, start and end, means this will be the starting index. One, two, three. Yes. And then it will be like ending portion. Okay. If we do like this, it means it will be count as a step. How many step you just skip, then given the output for the next. So starting index, then end, then if you do like this, it will be count as step. If we don't pass start, it's considered as 0. Means if we just doing this, it means it count starts from 0 index. If we don't pass end, it's considered length of an array in that dimension. Means if we do like this, it means it will given the output after starting index to end of the array. If we don't pass step, it's considered as 1. Means if we do like that, means the step count will be 1. Means 1 after 2, means 2 after 1, 3 after 2, 4 after 3, 5 after 4, just like that. If we not given any of the step. So this is the basic rules. Please note down it. This is the basic rules. Now we just move on to the example. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you explain again?
Okay. I am explaining again. Just a second. Suppose there is some array, 1D array is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suppose this is an 1D array. So what is the slicing? Slicing means taking elements from one given index to another given index. Okay. So that means whenever we want to get or we want to get output after slicing, we considered the slicing. Actually, this is one type of operation, slicing. So it happened with the index value. Okay. So we pass slice instead of index like this. Means first of all, we have to put the index value from which we want to slice. Okay. Then the ending value. In normal terms, this is actually happened. If we want to give step count, means how many steps it will go after. Normally, if you give this, it means it will step count will be 1, just like normal things. 2 after 1, 3 after 2, 4 after 3, 5 after 6. But whenever you give step count, means suppose you give 2, that means 1, then it will be move on to the 3, then 3 move on to the 5, 1 step, 2 step. So these actually do, if you want to give step count, you can do that. So these two options I think clear. Now, if we don't pass the starting index, just like that, if we do, it considered as 0, means 0 index. If we not passing any index number or any index number as starting value, it considered just like 0. It start from 0 index. If we not considered any of the final value, it will show after starting index to the till the array length, means how many numbers are there in the array. In the given example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, suppose we start from 2, means the index value is 1, then just doing it and left it. So it will show us the output from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just like that. If we give this thing 1, then sorry, x, then random thing y, then z, starting index, ending portion, then z means step count. Okay, it will go after normal step, means how many steps would be there. If it will be 2, it will move 1, 2, 3. If it will move, z value will be 3, 1, then 4. Actually the step count will be matter. Normally we supposed to be denote like that, x colon y, means normally step count like 1. Okay, if you want to give any type of step count, you can do also. So this way we can slice things in NumPy array. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone clear how the slicing
Yeah.
brief doing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the example. Import NumPy as NP. Okay. Suppose after inputting NumPy, taking random variable, then NP dot array, then converting the list 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. Now we want to slice. Print variable name where I stored the array, then starting the index value. Okay, then okay, 3 here.
স্যার
Yes,
স্যার আমার এখানে লোডশেডিং আর ল্যাপটপের চার্জ নেই বেশি, মানে 7%।
okay, so
আমি লিভ হয়ে যাচ্ছি, আমি পরে ভিডিও
okay,
দেখে নেবো, যেটা আটকাবে আমি জিজ্ঞাসা
okay,
করবো।
you can,
ঠিক আছে?
okay. So print then the variable name, then starting index, then the ending portion. There is a little bit confusion what the ending portion. Okay, I know people will be confused in that ending. What will be the ending portion? You can remind this like my way: 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so starting index will be 1, means the value should be print 2. Then what actually it will be done, what actually it will give us, from which portion? 3 means you can see 3 will be the positioning value. Okay. First step or first way to remind what will be the output is given like that. 3 means 3 will be the positioning value. If you remind like that, then in the positioning value 3 is the value 3 already. This is the positioning value and 2 is the index value. So it will show us the output 2 comma 3. If we another way, if we want to remind totally in the index version, then what will be the index value? What will be the value whose index number is 3? 4. Then 4 minus 1, 3. It will be the output. So there are two processes to remind this portion. Starting index already as normal. Then what will be the ending portion? Carefully visit or see the array. Then if you want to remind normally, just easy way, find out which will be the positioning value. This act as an positioning value in the given array. 3 positioning value. Which value it is? It is also 3. Okay. So the answer is 3. If you want, no sir, positioning value, index value, it little bit confusion, I will go totally on the index value. Then you can remind 3. Find out the value whose index value is 3. So the value is 4, whose index value is 3. Then minus 1. 4 minus 1, 3. This will be the answer. See here.
Yes.
If we run it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 is to 5. 1. Positioning value 1 means 2. Then 5. 5 this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the positioning value.
Position value.
And index value is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
4.
5 index value is the 6. Then 6 minus 1, 5. So it will print from 2, 3, 4, 5. You can remind it in this way also.
Can you please repeat this?
Okay.
Why we are using minus like 4 minus 1 or 6 minus 1?
That is the remind for. There is no rule for 4 minus 1. It is for the remind portion. Okay.
No, but
In the string operation or the tuple operation, here there you can also see whenever I create a string like 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose this is a string. Okay. And when we slice it, means suppose 0 is to
0 is to 1,
1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 is to 2. Suppose
2. Yeah.
0 is the static index value. What is this? 1. Then 2. If you consider 2 as a positioning value, then
It's a 2.
it will be 2. If we
Yes,
consider 2 as an index value, means
3.
3, then it will be given us output 3 minus 1, 2.
Minus 1, 2.
This question answer is this. How you remind, it is upon you. You can remind these two as an positioning value. Then normal answer will be this. If you remind that is as an index value, you can do like that.
Okay, so we can just do like first value is the index value and second value is the position value.
Yes. First value is the index value, second value is the positioning value. You can do
Position
like that.
value.
Or there will be little bit confusion because somebody will be little bit confused, sir. What will be the index value? What will be the positioning value later when we do projects and things also? So in that way, if you considered it as an index value, so just consider this and then the value will
Then
be
minus
3,
1.
then minus 1.
Okay.
Means not -1. Sorry, I am telling wrong. Not -1. Actually, the previous one value.
Previous one, na?
Yes, actually the
Yeah, but
previous
it's
one
minus,
value.
na? It's right to
Yes,
minus,
yes,
na?
yes.
Like 3 or
Yes, yes. Actually,
-1.
they are
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I am telling
Yeah.
-1, but actually it will show us the previous value.
Previous value. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
I am just changing the example just right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 there. Okay. See, we write it print x 2 is to 5. Okay, so the example 11, 44, 58, 77, 25, 69, then 80. Positioning value 0, sorry, index value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We starting at 2. Will be the index value 2, 58. Starting from 58. Then 5.
58 is
What will be the index value? 5. This is 69. Then it
and
will
this
show us the
25,
output to 25.
25,
Not meaning
58,
-1. It will the previous one. Means
previous value.
while with the -1, the position will be, or the index will be -1. 5 minus 1, 4. Means in fourth index value, what it shows, it will print. Now check. See, 58, 77, 25. Clear. Respond all, because this is a
Yes,
little
sir.
bit confusion things. Please respond all.
Yes, sir, it's clear now.
Okay. Inspire except Samarth, Anjali, Abriti, Adorsho, Swayam already, sorry, Samarth, Anjali, Adorsho, Varakumar, Gayatri, all clear? This thing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, as I tell previous that if we not mentioning any of the end value or previous one index, check here. So this is the one. Okay, I am just shuffling the example. Right. 25, 32, 73, 64, 95, 46, 70. Okay. Now what will be the number? The numbers are 25, 32, 73, 64, 95, 46, and 70. Okay. So this will be the things is there. Now, okay, here ARR given there. I also taking this ARR as variable. 4 is to this. 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 95. Then rest it not mentioning any of the end value. So it
So
totally
till the
print
end.
this.
Till then, no,
Okay.
95
Yes.
and the 46. Till the end.
95, 46, 17. So
Hmm.
just like the previous one,
Till
4.
the 4 position.
25,
64.
32, 73, 64. It will be
64.
print
Till
from
60.
this to this.
Yes, sir.
Let's check. See. Okay. I hope clear all of you whatever the slicing. Now negative slicing will be comes. This is the main interesting topic. Please write down the previous one from note to the things slicing. Go forward. Please write down. If need to scroll down or scroll up, you can please tell me. Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now we move on to the negative slicing. What it shows or what how it is actually work, negative slicing. Okay. First of all, changes the value. $31, 72, 43, 24, 15, 96, 77. Okay. Now, negative slicing means from what to what we actually do. Here, starting from zero indexing, 0, okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. So I am. Hello, are you there?
Yes, sir, yes, I'm there.
Okay, so here you can see why I am asking in the previous positive slicing example to remind as an index value, not the positioning value. Here you can see.
Yes, sir, because
So,
it's -1.
yes, so in for the minus portion in the string and tuple or list operation, I also give an example there. If we slicing about minus portion, okay, it not starting with 0 value from the right
Yes,
hand
sir, it's
side,
from
starting from the left hand side, right hand side,
-1.
-1. Okay, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. This is the negative slicing from right hand side. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now here -3 is to -1.
It's 1.
This slicing we have to get out, okay, or we have to give us example for as an output. So -3 starting indexing value, okay, what is 15?
50.
Now -1 indexing value, -1 indexing value 77, but output
We
is
have to write
96,
96,
means
previous value.
we just -1 another position. So these
-2.
things 96. That means for the positive slicing portion 2 is to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Indexing value 2 means
43,
43. Then if 4 indexing value, if we
24,
assume 4 indexing value 15, but we have to -1 index,
24.
means 4 - 1 third index, the value will be 24.
Yes.
So I suggest to all of you, remind this slicing as indexing value.
Okay, sir.
Okay, it will be helpful. So again, I am repeating, for the negative index, started from the right hand side and not started conducting 0. It will started from -1.
-1.
-1, -2, -3, that's how. Then first of all check what will be the first index it is given. Now here the first index is -3. Okay, -3 index is 15. Then last index that is given is -1. Okay, so last index is -1. So we have to go
Do the
just before that, that is -2. Before that, for the minus portion, it is before that. For the positive, just like
plus
means
previous.
whatever index is given at the last moment, you should not count it, just count before one. Just count before one. So that is the exact result. 15 and 96 is the result. Okay, so if we move on to the next example. So here, just I am changing the Control-C. Okay. Now array creation done. So just like previous one, if the end portion not given or the starting index not given, so what will be the result? Here -3 is to, if end portion not given, what is the starting index? -3 means 15. It will print from 15 to the end, 15, 96, 77. If the starting index not given, -3 means it will put, what is the -3 value? 15 -3 -1 means -4, that is the value 24. So it will print from 31 to 24. Very much
Why
carefully it
so?
will.
Because
Why?
we have to
Why?
write 24 from 21, na? 24 from
Why?
31. It's
Why?
minus, na?
Why?
Because of we are doing like if it's -3, so then -1 is 4, -4, right?
You means 24 to 31, you said.
Yes, sir.
So in that way, why should we print this thing? Means from there, if we put out the minus things first, minus the index value, first index value is given, then it's
Yeah,
supposed to
so
be print like
it's
77, 96, 15. Why 15, 96, 77?
because it's minus, no, getting.
No. You think that, sir, it is happening from right side, so it should give us the answer just like that way, right?
Yes, sir.
No,
Yeah.
that not happen. Answer would be from first to last, okay? Or otherwise,
Mm,
for you understand, if you think that from right hand side it will do, so this value will be fast, this value will be fast, this value will be fast, then it is.
mm.
You can remind like that, but minus slicing, it is supposed to be go right hand to left hand for indexing, but output should be given like that, as always. Output should be given like that as always. Understand, Swam?
Yes, I understand.
See, if we provided index value, starting index value, not provided the ending portion, it will start from -3,
-3, then
then
-2,
96, then 77, -3,
77,
-2, -1. If we provided -3 means ending value we
the
provided,
ending.
not the starting value. So just like the rules, ending indexing value is -3. So suppose this should be printed the previous one means -4.
-4.
So starting from the -4, 31 from the 24, it will print. So this is the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now moving on to the step count. Just a minute. Okay. See here, -5 to -2, -5 to -2. Now tell what happened. It will print.
Like from the
-43.
-5 till the -3, like -2, -1 is -3, na? So
So
from
43,
minus
24, 15.
Again, you can do carefully. Everyone, please participate in this because negative slicing is very much confusing. So please care about the example and tell what happened. Write down in your notebook for your comfort. You can do in your copy. Then give me answer. I can give time. No issue. Continue.
Okay, sir.
Take time. If you're in system, get the example, then try what
Yeah,
exactly
yes.
do.
sir, one second.
Yes, yes,
2
no issue. You take, all of you take time.
Sir, the answer is 43, 24, 15, sir.
Yes, means it will start the, see the index value -5. So -5 is 43, then -2 means 96, but we will stop the in the previous one means -3. 43, 24, 15. Right?
Yes, sir.
Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Swam, what you ask me? Sir, can we write it from the right to left? See,
Yes, sir.
so for that, what we do? -1 double colon, then starting from then -2 means -1 index, then step count -2, 1 step, 2 step, -3 means 15. Then 1 step, 2 step. Okay, means for 1 steps, 2 step mean 43. Print.
43,
Then 1 step, 2 step, 31.
31.
Okay, I'm clear the screen, then explain it again. Right, just a minute. So if normal, as normal, we count the index value from left to right. So this is happened. But if we do negative slicing and count from right to left, okay, starting from the -1, not starting from the 0. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Just like the previous one, if we want to get the output of this, -5 is to -2. First, we check the -5 means starting index value -5. What is it? 43.
43.
So it will give 43. Then the ending index value -2. But we supposed to stop at previous means -3.
-3.
15. So this will be
20.
the output. Now, if we want to print these things from right to left, as Swayam asked, sir, can we do it from right to left, not like the normal one left to right? Yes, we do. Starting the index value -1, okay?
Yes, sir.
Then what will be the index syntax? Double colon or double is 2. Then -1. Why -1, Swayam?
So because it's starting value.
Starting index value is -1, sir.
Index value starting value.
There I write this. What is this meaning? What is this meaning? Tell.
So starting value and then
Step value.
This is the step value.
Step
Yeah,
value and
okay,
this
okay,
the -1 is starting
-1, -2. Not like, sorry, not like index. Here to there, there 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 to there. So just like in going right to left, step count. One step, second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step, sixth step, seventh step. So it will continuously going. So it is the step count. For the normal thing, normal left to right, it will not minus, it will positive +1.
Positive
But
+1.
as why it is right to left, so it is -1. So what? It is the starting value. This is, sorry, starting index value. Okay. So it will print 77, 31 there, 72, 43, 24, 15, 96. If we change it into 2, it will start from that.
76.
If we do it from 3, it will start
15.
from that. Understand everybody till now?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, please respond.
yes, sir.
Okay. See, now the step that already I am mentioning in the previous one. See, starting index value, ending portion, step count. 1, starting index value 1 means start from 2, ending index 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means 6. But we
6,
supposed to
6.
stop 5 here. Okay.
Previous one.
So
5.
step count would be 2 means 2, then 4. Only these things happen. 4, then 5 not happen because already given the step count 2. So it will print as step count how we provided. If the step count like that 1 is to 5 is to 1, then it will print 2,
2,
3,
3, 4, 5.
4, 5. And here step count 2, what it actually return? Check. Starting from there, okay, no index or no positioning value or no something else not given, just given the step count. starting from 0 index, 1 step, 2 step, 3 1 step, 2 step, 5 1 step, 2 step, 7 1 3 5 7 is the answer. Clear? Step count I will do for the steps.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now write down quickly or note it down in your copy, in your system. Okay, I am scrolling up. Okay, negative slicing. Yes. First negative slicing complete. Then step. Just you can take a snapshot also, because I will provide the .py file. Okay, .py file I will providing. This and this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now slicing 2D array. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. One thing, can you given or can you say what is the difference between the list and the array? A common thing, just a common thing. First choice, I am asking this question, but I should ask in the previous class or in the starting class. But you here, just tell me what is the common difference as an array, as an you can say as an list. What is the common thing? Anyone?
So a list can hold the different data types.
No, 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 no. That is I'm
No.
saying. That is I'm saying that can I say the definition or the normal reading, normal course wise you can say. Please tell me the difference between list and array. Then you can tell that. But in the basic way, if anybody notice it, I don't know if anybody of you notice it. What is the difference between array? Just a little small notice.
Sir, it's the list will be a zero dimension array only, sir.
List will be
Zero dimension, one dimension array, but array we can create multi-dimension array. Maybe
that actually okay, but I am not asking that answer. Okay, I am
Sir,
saying
in array we can use any of the arithmetic operation like plus, minus, negative, but we can't use this in list.
we also do operation in the list.
Sir, let
If it will be the
find
not be the
square.
character. Yes, yes.
Yeah, but
Whoever.
Sir,
Anyone?
less than array is defining as a square bracket.
List also defining as the square bracket. Tuple is the parenthesis. See, this is the array, this is the list, comma. Anyone check this?
If I say that is clear.
This is the actual common difference. Whenever we convert any list, any tuple into array, there is no comma provided. It is written here nowhere. It is written nowhere in the books, in the thing, nowhere. But it is a simple thing that I am noticing in my previous course or previous class colleges, that array not contains any type of comma. Okay. But list list contain list or tuple contain comma. See all the example I am giving. See, first of all there will be comma, but whenever output is there, whenever list is there, there is no comma. That's why it is transfers into matrix form. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So now this. This is the 2D matrix, 2D array. Okay, 2D array. Suppose change the name of the variable x. Here are too long. X, okay. X 1, 1 is to 4. ঠিক আছে? Okay, this thing here now, if we writing like this is I convert into just a minute. This is we convert into list to array. Now 1 2 3 4 5, this thing 6 7 8 9 10. Comma means before comma what value we provided here? 0 1 2. It is the row index. 0, then 1, then if it like that 2 3, whatever, increasing the number of the elements, number of the 1D arrays you as your wish. So here we provided 1, means row index 1. 1 is to 4. Okay. Now here also checking the index value, which is the index value 1, that is 7. Index value 4 means 0 1 2 3 4 10, but we should stop in the previous, means 7 8 9. The output 7 8 9. Clear? Anyone have any confusion? Please see
No,
this
sir.
example. Please see these example and ask me if anyone have any query about 2D array slicing.
So please repeat.
Okay, sure. Anjali, you want to repeat like?
Yes, sir.
You tell me that there will be not 2-dimensional, 3-dimensional list, right? Hello? Who tell me that, sir, in the difference between list and array, that list cannot be more than 1-dimensional?
No, sir. I know.
Myself, sir.
Oh, Gayatri, you tell na.
Yes, sir.
This is the 2-dimensional list.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
list also can dimensional, but just the basic thing, it will be when we convert list to array, there will be no comma. Okay, Anjali, I am repeating. Just a minute. Okay, what will be the 1 to 5, 6 to 9? Whiteboard. No whiteboard.
ठीक है
No whiteboard. Okay, seeing here.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Anjali, see it very carefully. No issue. If you feel any problem, then you can repeat. All of you, not her. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is a two-dimensional list after conversion. What is the conversion? NP dot array. Okay. After conversion, it turns out into array. Now the slicing. We put this array into variable name X. Now what we want, or what the question we want to give the answer? 1, comma 1 is to, or colon 4. Okay. This have to find out. Now I supposed to write the array in a matrix form. Okay. So this is the matrix form of this array. Now X in the square bracket 1, comma 1 is to 4. This one represent as the indexing, row indexing, not column, row indexing. I am supposed to give you the indexing of the row column in the previous class. Okay, if you not getting it, you can check the video again, already published. This one means indexing 1, row indexing 1. Okay, if there another 1D array that in the 2D array list, then its indexing would be 2. Okay, here two 1D array collaboratively create a single 2D array. This one is the index, row index. So I write it in the matrix form. If it is provided as 0, then we mentioned this. But here it is right as 1. Row indexing 1 means this row. So 1 index. So this row, now 1 is to 4 as like previous simple slicing. 1 starting index 1, 0, 1, 7. 7 value is the starting index 1. Ending index 4, 2, 3, 4. 10 is the value whose ending index is 4, or whose index is 4. But supposed to be not counting 4 index. As I mentioned previously, it will be stop in 9.
Nine. Okay.
So
Yes.
the output would be 7, 8, 9.
Nine.
See? And see here
Yes.
also 0, comma 1 is to 4. So here we considered indexing
0.
value 0 row. So this is the 1 index, value is 2, and this is the 4 index, value is 5, but we supposed to be stopped in the previous one, that is 4. So the output is 2, 3, 4.
Yes.
Clear, everyone? Okay. Now write it. Okay, everyone note it. 1, 3, 5, 7. Step done, I think. Now this portion. Slicing 2D. These two. Done, everybody? This
Yes, sir.
slicing 2D arrays. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, here supposed to be 3 1D array making one simple 2D array. Okay. 1, 3. I'm directly writing the matrix form. This is the matrix form. Now, is due to means not mentioning any of the row index, not mentioning any of the row index, starting row index, not mentioning. but I am mentioning 2. I am mentioning 2 means the ending index. It's supposed to be stopped in the previous one, means in the 1 portion. 0 index, 1 index, 2 index. It's supposed to be stopped here. Okay. Oh, I'm not writing right side. Just a minute. 0, 1, 2. Okay. Now, this is the
step count.
hello. Okay. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, you're audible.
Okay. Now supposed to be is to 2. You can remind like that for the column portion. Okay. It would be the column portion. 0 index, 1 index, 2 index. Supposed to be stop here. Previous one. Okay. It will print this portion because this is a 2 index not mentioning in the 2. So just like it will print this portion 1391, right?
So
This
the last
yes,
the last 2 is the ending step count, right? This
not
one you
here.
are.
No, step count. If this sign, if
Okay.
this will be happen, then it is the step count, or
Oh,
this will happen, then it will be a step count. Otherwise, no step count. Step
okay,
count as
okay.
normal. Okay.
Okay. So this is as a normal, like the
Yes,
index number.
yes.
Okay.
You please try this example in your system. Okay. I am elaborating another way.
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys, please skip this portion because I will elaborate it in another way at the last of the NumPy class. Okay, it is little bit confusing. In the column portion, that should not be exact answer like that. So I will do it in the later. Now move on for the NumPy array reshaping just to complete today's class. So in the previous one or reshaping the NumPy array reshaping means it will change the shape of an array from 1D array to 2D array or 1D array to 3D array or 2D array to 3D array. Okay, as like you do. Convert the following 1D array with 12 elements into 2D array. What is the special things? The number of element, the number of arrays you can do, and each of the array provided how many elements. Means this is the 12 element list convert into an array. This is a 1D array. Now 12 elements 2D array convert into 2D array. Okay, if anyone say that how many way you can convert this 1D array into 2D array, I hope there are minimum 2 portion. Okay, 2 or 3. See, 12 elements means each of the element can provided 6.
At least 6. Yes, sir. So 6
There
comma
is
2
a
became
2D. This is a 2D array. 6 with 2 1D array. Each 1D array consists of 6 elements
6
or
elements.
6 0D array. This is number 1. Number 2 way.
4
1,
elements.
2, 3.
4,
4
Then
muscle.
4 to 6. 7 to 9.
10 to 12.
10
10
to
to 12.
12. Means another way, 1 2D array consisting of 4 1D array, each of 1D array consisting 3 elements.
3 elements.
Okay. Number 3.
1 to 4.
1 to 4. Then
5 to 8
5 to 8.
and 9 to 12.
Then 9 to 12.
12.
So this is another 2D array consisting 3 1D array, each 1D array consisting 4 elements. Okay. Now another one. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Not 56. It is 5 6. Okay. 7 8
10.
9 10
11 12.
11 12. So this is another 2D array that consisting 6 1D arrays, each of 1D array consisting of
2
2
elements.
elements.
element. So when we want to reshaping 1D array to 2D array, 1D array to 3D array, 2D array to 3D array, 2D array to 4D array, whatever array we want to reshaping, that is asking from Gayatri's side in the first class, sir, how to convert 1D array to 2D array, 2D array to 3D array. So using reshape. So what is the function? Array or variable name, array variable, ARR not. Okay, you can take it as X, you can take it Y, what the variable we use. So first variable name dot reshaping function. Okay, this is the first thing you should remember. Again, v name means variable name dot reshape function. In the reshape function parenthesis bracket, first you would be writing down how many 1D array or how many conversion, means 1D to 2D array you want to convert. So how many 1D array would be like present in the 2D array, the number you write, then comma, then you write the elements, how many elements consisting in that 1D arrays. So syntax would be like that: variable name dot reshape, variable name dot reshape function. Then in the parenthesis, you should first write the array, 1D array, how many array you want to convert. After conversion, how many arrays would be present there, from 1D array to 2D array, from 3D array to 4D array. If it is 2D array to 3D array, then the number would be 2D array number. This would be 2D array number, means how many 2D array present after conversion in the 3D array. Okay, it will be the array number. Then this number or these three would be the elements or 0D arrays that will be present in the particular array. You can access it like element, how many elements in that arrays. Okay, clear the syntax,
Yes, sir.
how you reshaping 1D array to 2D array.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just checking how many left. Joining arrays, stacking, splitting, searching, sorted. Okay, try to complete next day, because so many brief description about NumPy. Now that I am already provided you some PDF, you can follow it, because basics of NumPy arrays, array creation, conversion, sorting, slicing, all of the basic things which happen, you apply in the project. I am completing after next day. Okay. So till now, I hope everyone clear about that. Okay, right, everyone?
Yes,
I hope
sir.
Yes,
everyone
sir.
clear about that. If you feel any confusion, try to make visit my videos. After that, if anyone also not understand, I will taking another revision of it. Okay. So now, just a second. Gayatri, can you provide me the attendance sheet?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay, please send me in the chat box.
Sure, sir.